Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Kandi, and today we are going to be recreating this look. This look is for my boo-boo, my baby, boo thing, my best friend, my partner. Happy anniversary, baby! It was our anniversary last week. These flowers came from him, as well as the candles. And let me tell you, the candles smell delicious. If you did not watch the Get to Know Me tag, and I will link it up right here. I told you that my favorite scent is vanilla or like cupcake flavor. And these are actually grapefruit and ginger. Didn't think I like them, but they smell amazing. They smell really good. Baby, I love you. Happy anniversary. He said his favorite color on me is black. So I decided to do a very dramatic eye with a nice pop of black. This also could be like a anti-Valentine's Day look too. If you didn't see my other one, I'll link it up here too. If you want to see how I created this look, then go ahead and stay tuned. If you haven't already, you might as well go ahead and be part of the fam. So click on that subscribe button. You should go ahead and click that because like we gonna be like this by the end of the video. Just wait. You gonna like it and you'll be like, yo, that girl Kandi over there, you don't know unless you on her family. So go ahead and click that, and I'm gonna start rambling on. So let's get to this thing. Okay guys, so as you can see, my face is literally bare, and we are going to start off with exfoliating my lips, and we're going to be using the Tarte lip exfoliator, which is called their Prep Pout. Now we're going to go in with the first eyeshadow, and this is from MAC Cosmetics, and this is in the shade Saddle. Place it on the crease, and then I blended that out. Now to warm up this eyeshadow, we're going to go ahead and use the Huda Beauty Warm Obsessions palette. We're going to place that shadow directly on the outer corner of my eye and then blend that inwards. Now we're going to go in with the Morphe palette, and we're going to take this shade here and we're going to place it on the middle of my crease, and then we're going to blend that out. Now to deepen that crease, we're going to go in with the darkest shade here from the Obsessions palette, and we're going to place that directly on top of the color from the Morphe palette. Now to add a little bit of definition, we are going to go in with this black, and I'm literally dabbing it on the outer corner of my eye, and I'm then going to feather it out into the inner corner of my eye. Skin tone eyeshadow, we're going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills, and we're going to be using the shade Fudge. And I'm going to place Fudge literally on the crease and then blend that out. And then we're going to take a mini intermission session because I needed to take a drink. Which, by the way, these things are pretty delicious. If you want to know what they are, leave the comments down below. Now to get back into the makeup, we're going to go ahead in with the NYX Cosmetics. And from the Morphe palette, we're going to take this nice bronzy shade and we're going to place that directly on the lid. And then we're going to go in with a small brush and clean up the line to make it look really sharp. Back in with the Anastasia palette, and we're going to take the shade Pink Champagne and we're going to place that directly on the middle of my lid. We're now going to add more shimmer to that, adding the only shimmer shade in the Warm palette, and we're going to place that directly on the inner corner of my eye. We're going to take these two shades and we're going to place that directly on the outer corner of my eye. Go back in with the black and we're going to lightly touch it up on the outer corner of the eye. And you already see this. I completed my face and my lashes. And I'm just having a little bit of the setting powder set on my nose to make sure that my nose is snatched. Now going back into the Obsessions palette, we're going to use these two shades here, and we are going to go ahead and put the color on the bottom of my lash. And we're going to blend that out. I don't know, I kind of eyeballed it and just placed it on the crease, and then I blended that out. Now I'm going to put mascara on my bottom lashes, and I'm just using the MAC Cosmetics mascara. And I'm actually going to be using a majority of these colors today. And now to really finalize on the eyes, we're going to go in with the Urban Decay Heavy Metal, and I'm placing this right on the crease, and I'm using the shade Midnight Cowboy. Now because I have hooded eyes, I seriously need this to dry, so I'm going to be taking the fan that Isaiah made for me for one of his class, and I'm just going to go ahead and fan myself until that sucker is dry. And now that they're dry, it's now to finalize on this lips. So we're using 2 items, NYX black pencil. And I'm going to clean my pencil by using a sanitary wipe and then sharpening it so it's not contaminating any germs. Middle of my crease. Fill everything out to kind of deepen that black color. We're going to go in with the Makeup Forever. This is their Rouge Artist Intense in number 50. I do want to add that I pretty much stayed in the center of the eye and then worked towards the inner corner of the eye because I really wanted. Guys, this is the final look, and yeah, let's go to the final portions of the video. Well guys, that is the end of the video. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch it. As always, if you liked it, then you might as well go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, you might as well get part of the fam. So go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. I want to say thank you for everybody who has taken the time to watch this and commented on my videos. You guys are amazing, so thank you. And remember to stay beautiful, feel beautiful, be beautiful. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. I'm literally decked out in jewelry from my boo-boo. Necklace plus diamond studs. And then I'm flipping diamond hoop earrings. Promise ring. I got more over there. I like to be spoiled.